Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of wolves. Today, we'll journey across continents to discover the diverse subspecies of these magnificent creatures, each adapted to their unique environments. Let's begin with the grey wolf, scientifically known as Canis lupus. This is the most widespread wolf species, roaming across vast territories in North America, Europe, and Asia. Grey wolves are known for their adaptability, thriving in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open tundra. Their coat color can vary from shades of grey to brown, and even black in some regions. Venturing into the frigid north, we encounter the Arctic wolf, a subspecies of the grey wolf specially adapted to the harsh conditions of the Arctic. These wolves, classified as Canis lupus arctos, inhabit the remote wilderness of northern Canada and Greenland. Their thick white fur provides excellent camouflage in the snowy landscape and insulation against the biting cold. Arctic wolves have shorter muzzles and smaller ears than their southern cousins, reducing heat loss in their extreme environment. Moving across the Atlantic, we find the Eurasian wolf, Canis lupus, spread across Europe and parts of Russia. These wolves are slightly smaller than their North American counterparts, but no less impressive. Eurasian wolves have played a significant role in European folklore and mythology for centuries. Today, they face challenges due to habitat loss and human encroachment, but conservation efforts are helping to stabilize their populations in many areas. Our journey now takes us to the southwestern United States and Mexico, home to one of the rarest and smallest wolf subspecies, the Mexican wolf, or Canis lupus baileyi. These wolves once roamed freely across the region, but were nearly driven to extinction in the wild. Thanks to dedicated conservation programs, Mexican wolves are slowly making a comeback. Their smaller size and unique coloration, often featuring shades of rust and tan, set them apart from other grey wolf subspecies. Traveling eastward, we arrive in the Indian subcontinent and parts of the Middle East, where the Indian wolf, Canis lupus pallipes, has adapted to survive in dry, arid habitats. These wolves are smaller and leaner than many of their relatives, with shorter fur better suited to hot climates. Indian wolves have developed unique hunting strategies to thrive in areas where large prey may be scarce, often targeting smaller mammals and even insects. Our next stop takes us to the roof of the world, the high-altitude regions of the Himalayas and Tibetan Plateau. Here, we find the Himalayan wolf, sometimes referred to as Canis lupus chanco or Canis lupus himalayensis. These wolves have adapted to life at extreme elevations, with larger chests and unique hemoglobin compositions that allow them to thrive in the thin air of their mountainous home. Recent genetic studies suggest that Himalayan wolves may be distinct enough to be considered a separate species, highlighting the ongoing nature of wolf research and classification. Returning to North America, we encounter the Northwestern Wolf, Canis lupus occidentalis, in the vast wilderness of Alaska and Western Canada. These are some of the largest wolves in North America, with thick fur and powerful builds that help them navigate the rugged terrain and harsh winters of their habitat. Northwestern wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their ecosystems, helping to control populations of large herbivores like elk and moose. Venturing into the heart of Canada, we find the Mackenzie Valley wolf, Canis lupus Mackenzie, named after the river valley they call home. These wolves are renowned for their impressive size, often ranking among the largest of all wolf subspecies. Their territory spans the boreal forests and tundra of northern Canada, where they've perfected the art of surviving in one of the world's most challenging environments. Our journey now takes us across the Atlantic once more to the Apennine Mountains and other parts of Italy, where we find the Italian wolf, Canis lupus italicus. This distinct subspecies has evolved in relative isolation, developing unique genetic and behavioral traits. Italian wolves tend to be smaller than many of their European cousins and have faced significant challenges due to habitat loss and human persecution. However, recent conservation efforts have helped their populations begin to recover, with wolves slowly reclaiming territories they haven't inhabited for centuries. Finally, we turn our attention to a wolf that stands apart from the others, the red wolf, Canis rufus. Native to the southeastern United States, this critically endangered species is smaller and more slender than grey wolves. Red wolves once roamed throughout the eastern and south-central United States, but were driven to near extinction by the mid-20th century. Thanks to intensive conservation efforts, including captive breeding programs, red wolves have been reintroduced to parts of their former range. However, their future remains uncertain, with challenges including habitat loss and hybridization with coyotes. As we conclude our global tour of wolf subspecies, it's clear that these remarkable animals have found ways to adapt and thrive in an incredible variety of environments. From the frozen Arctic to the arid deserts of India, from the high peaks of the Himalayas to the forests of North America and Europe, wolves continue to captivate our imagination and play vital roles in their ecosystems. Each subspecies we've explored faces its own set of challenges in the modern world, often stemming from human activities and habitat loss. However, the story of wolves is also one of resilience and adaptation. Conservation efforts around the world are working to protect these magnificent creatures and the habitats they depend on, ensuring that future generations will have the chance to hear the howl of wolves echoing across diverse landscapes. As we learn more about the complex social structures, hunting strategies, and ecological importance of wolves, it becomes increasingly clear how crucial it is to protect these animals and the wild places they inhabit. Whether it's the widespread grey wolf, the elusive Mexican wolf, or the critically endangered red wolf, each subspecies represents a unique chapter in the evolutionary story of these remarkable predators. By understanding and appreciating the diversity of wolf subspecies around the world, we can better appreciate the complexity of nature and the importance of preserving biodiversity. As we face global challenges like climate change and habitat destruction, the adaptability and resilience of wolves offer both inspiration and valuable lessons in survival. Let's continue to learn from and protect these magnificent animals, ensuring that the howl of the wolf continues to echo across our planet for generations to come.